topic. Yeah. What? Stop recording me.
I was gonna ask you what I should invest in, but apparently you said Hot Topic, so I should go invest in Hot Topic.
I mean, you should invest in a hot topic.
So what is the Hot Topic?
I said Home Depot. People are gonna be buying their gardening stuff.
That's how stock prices work. They go up when people buy gardening stuff.
I'm just saying it's relatable.
Okay. What's up, guys? It's the Cheapster here, back with another video, and you heard my wife. What we're gonna be investing in today is Home Depot. Apparently, that's what she wants to invest in because people are buying stuff for spring. Yeah, that makes sense. That's how the stock market works. For sure. But hey, at least it's better than Hot Topic, thank goodness. But it is another Wednesday today, so we're gonna go out and work DoorDash again. I like working DoorDash during the weekdays. Sometimes Grubhub is okay, but DoorDash is a lot busier when it's a slower time, like a weekday. So I'm gonna work DoorDash and see how much Home Depot we can buy today, I guess. I brought my hammer today, just in case, you know, good luck, I guess, because yeah, Home Depot is the first company that I'm kind of like, okay, yeah, I wouldn't mind having Home Depot as a stock. Yeah, that sounds good. So it is about 6 o'clock, so I'm going to go ahead and turn on and see what kind of orders we can get to buy some Home Depot. I can hear that song in my head right now. I probably can't play it because I'm going to get copyright strike. I can't do that. Oh yeah, and before I get started, guys, of course, like always, remember that there are links down below in the description for referral stuff like Get Upside, Hurdler, a bunch of other stuff I got down there. So whenever you guys check those out and use those links, it really helps out the channel, and I really appreciate it. So all right, let's get started. All right, got my first order for $10.91, I think. It's pretty good. It's a far drive though. It's over like 10 miles, but it's also not a bad area to work anyway. And just to get us started with some Home Depot, let's go ahead and do that. It's about $11 in Home Depot stock, so let's do it. All right, got that order picked up. I forgot that tomorrow is Cinco de Mayo, so today's Cuatro de Mayo, and it was super busy in there, so maybe Mexican restaurants are gonna be busy because people are trying to beat the rush or something. I don't know. We got a hot one today. 87. It was 89. It's actually been kind of cold in South Carolina lately. It's the first day it's felt like, yeah, I'm in South Carolina, not Ohio. Okay, I'm here at the address. I'm looking for the drop-off. They are repaving this apartment complex though. And it looks like I have to walk super far because I have to park somewhere. So I guess that's what I gotta do. Okay, man, that was quite the delivery. That literally, I'm not even kidding, took an hour to do that whole delivery. I just walked around for like 15 minutes trying to find that address. Now that I realize where it is, I realize it was completely dumb because it's like right here, right where I parked, but I didn't know where it was because there's like no sign showing you where to go here. So I went the wrong way, and then when I got over there, I realized you actually can park right in front of that building, but the road between it is blocked off, so you can come in a different way. So that's the kind of stuff you get when you're a delivery driver though. But hey, that was a long trip. At least it was like 11 bucks, still not great for an hour, but on the bright side, he did give me a $3 cash tip, so that was really nice of him because he knew about the construction. He realized he forgot to tell me. So about $14, so that's not too bad. But I was starting to think there, was this a sign? Is Home Depot, is this not working out well? Should I not be investing in them? I mean, I brought my hammer. I thought that would be good luck. Apparently it's bad luck. I mean, who would have known? You think you bring your hammer with you, it's gonna be good luck, right? Somebody just saw that crazy guy in my car talking to myself kissing a hammer. All right, well, on to the next one. All right, I just got a $13 order. That is huge for DoorDash. I'm actually getting a $2 bump in this area. I just changed areas because they took me way far away from where I was working. So there's a $2 bump now, but 13 bucks is crazy for DoorDash. But yeah, it looks like I'm gonna be driving all over Tarnation today because they got me driving so far away, but you know, the money keeps coming in, that's fine. $13, I'm really excited about that one. I just realized maybe kissing the hammer actually did give me good luck. We'll see. All right, got that order picked up. Let's go make this $13. Another really nice day today. I've been really lucky with these videos. I feel like every day I drive, it's been super nice. Although having bad weather isn't necessarily the worst thing because usually that's when you get more orders. So, but I mean, I'm getting $13 orders, so guess it's doing all right. All right, got that order dropped off, and that was $14.25. So that was awesome. That's an awesome order. They really did take me out here, though. I'm like way far out. I don't know if I've ever been this far, maybe like rarely, but I'm so far away. So I guess I'm gonna roll with it and see if I can get orders out here or get orders taking me farther back, because it's a far drive back right now. All right, I just parked for a second and they got an order for $10.75 to IHOP. Not too far. I like these big orders coming in. This is a very different day than most days working for DoorDash. Okay, that's a pretty great view. Oh my gosh. Look what it is. I think I see something. Not them. Get out of here, Lowe's. Oh, the Home Depot. There you are. We're gonna own you pretty soon. All right, got that picked up. You know it's a big order when I gotta bust out the DoorDash bag too. So I'm gonna go drop that off now. Here's the city of Greer in case you ever wanna see it. That's Main Street. That's pretty cool. All right, got that order dropped off, and then in the process, I don't know if you could see, a gnat like flew into my eye. It was flying around the car, got me in the eye, so I can't tell if it looks red. I don't know how to look at the camera. How do I look at it? There we go. Is it red? I can't tell. It hurts though, so if my eye's red, it's because a gnat just flew in there. All right, just got another order for $8.50, and I'm here to pick that up now. All right, got that order picked up. I saw a dead cockroach in the corner of that restaurant. It's actually like a really nice restaurant. Like I actually do want to come here sometime, but you know, I guess cockroaches happens to the best of us. I know that better than anyone with our house. All right, got that order dropped off. I'm a little shook up because I almost ran over a dog. It just darted out in the street. Luckily, I slammed my brakes on and just barely missed it. I think it might have actually gone like underneath my car and then ran out past my tire. Like I don't know how I didn't hit it. So I'm a little shook up right now because you know, almost hit a dog. That'll make you feel very good. I'm assuming this dog's not lost either. It looked like it was just running around the front yard of this person's house because they clearly don't keep it contained, which makes me kind of mad. But yeah, now I think I need to really head back because it's getting kind of late. It's almost 8:45, so it's getting late where most things are going to close. So I need to start heading back to Greenville because I'm really far out here. So I'm going to head back that way and hopefully get stuff along the way. Hopefully I don't have to drive too much not getting orders. It's been kind of a funky day, I gotta say. It's been a little bit of a funky day. Maybe that's a bad sign for Home Depot. Maybe I'm not supposed to buy Home Depot. I don't know. I have been getting pretty good orders though, but it feels like a weird day. Maybe it's just because I almost hit a dog. Definitely making me feel weird. There it is again. Home Depot. Oh. Can't wait to own it. The funny thing is, I'm actually more of a Lowe's guy because I'm a Craftsman guy, and now Lowe's owns Craftsman. So, hey, maybe we'll buy some Lowe's later, but we're not talking about them right now. Right now, we are talking about Home Depot. We are Home Depot fans right now. We are home boys. Home Depot boys. What? Man, I think I jinxed it when I said that I was a Lowe's guy. I think Home Depot heard me and they were like, you know what, fine, we don't want your money and we're just not going to give you any DoorDash orders to invest. It has been like 30 minutes and I've only gotten one order that came in. It was like $2.50 to McDonald's, which is awful, so I'm definitely not going to take that. So I don't know what's happening. The night's really slow. Like I said, it's just been a weird day. You know, I blame my wife. She's the one who picked Home Depot. I think it's just not working out. I don't know why she picked that. I mean, come on. I mean, I could, you know, try to get some extra luck again. No, I will not stoop to that. I will not. Not again. I did realize that maybe because it's the day before Cinco de Mayo, people probably aren't spending money because they're either going to spend it tomorrow or they're going to go out tomorrow. Maybe it's not a good day to work the day before the holiday. Hey.
Hi.
You're fired.
Why?
You were not allowed to pick stocks anymore.
What happened?
It was terrible.
Why?
I didn't get any orders. I drove all over Tarnation. I almost hit a dog.
Same.
I almost hit a dog, Tyson. Did you hear me? It was like your size, too. It went right under. What are you doing? Watching Inventing Anna? Just waiting for me to leave for the night so you can watch your TV shows. Tyson, what do you think about Home Depot? Oh, you don't look like you like it very much.
You've been there. You walked around there.
Oh yeah, you went to Home Depot. You met that guy. He said he had a miniature schnauzer.
And he showed us pictures and videos.
Yeah. You remember that? He's not interested. All right, I was just about to give up, and then I got an $8 order to either Walgreens or CVS. I forget which one it is. So I'm gonna go take that, see if I can get anything else to finish this night off, because this was earlier than I was hoping to finish, but it's looking pretty slow. All right, we're here. You know what that means. Shopping montage. Shopping montage is canceled because he ordered 3 items and they were out of every single item and did not have very good changes to what he said you could substitute. So basically I wasn't really shopping as much, just like walking around trying to find stuff. So, oh man, this day just continues to be a weird day. So I may call it quits after this. This apartment I'm delivering to is like, you have to walk so far to get to the doors too. So, oh man, this has been a rough day. This must be a sign. This must be a sign that investing in Home Depot is a bad idea. So I'll probably call it quits right after this order. I don't even know if there's any montages in here because it's just a weird day. It's a really weird day. Sometimes this happens. All right, got that order dropped off. I am calling it quits. It's time to be over. When you get days like this, it's best to just quit sometimes because it's just going bad. This order is one of those things where like somebody ordered it for somebody else and you have to bring it to them, so you're not communicating with the person you're trying to give it to, and this building has a lock on the door, so you can't just get in without the lock, and that's just how the day is gone. So you know what, I'm gonna head home. I'm gonna quit because I'm done for today, and we'll just take what we can get. We'll invest that at Home Depot, and this is just gonna be a shorter video today. But just when I was thinking, how could this night get any worse, something completely unexpected happened. Something that actually ended my night in the emergency room. Oh, it hurts. The unexpected thing was I actually kept working. I'm just messing with you guys. And my last order was to the emergency room, so I was telling the truth. Yeah, there were actually a bunch of orders that came in afterwards that they weren't great, but I did make a decent amount of money. So let's go ahead and roll the montage showing you everything that I made. All right, so those are the orders I did. Sorry, I didn't really record much during that time. I was really gonna quit. And maybe, you know, I realized maybe you guys are the bad luck. I turned the camera off and suddenly orders start coming in. I think it was actually you guys. But okay, so in total, let's talk about what I made today that I'm gonna be able to buy that Home Depot stock with, which today I felt like it was kind of cursed, but you know what? I ended up making out pretty well in the end because I made $87.16. And I got a $3 cash tip, so that was $90.16 that I get to use to buy Home Depot stock with. And then I ended up driving 82 miles, which was kind of a lot of driving, but still I got to make like 90 bucks, so I'm happy with it. But yeah, by the time I edit this, I already have bought it, so here it is. There's my Home Depot stock. Also, if you're wondering, sometimes it might not be the exact amount that I say I'm gonna buy because you have to do like a market buy or a limit buy, and sometimes it just doesn't go through the right amount, or maybe I'm just not doing it right. I don't know, but that's why. But I am now the proud owner of Home Depot. I can't believe I own the store. I'm gonna go there tomorrow. I'm just gonna put things in my bag and walk out the door. It's gonna be great. Now that would actually be bad for me because then I'd be stealing from my company and we would lose money. My stock would go down. I can't do that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this. I know this one was a little bit of a rougher one. Sometimes that's how the days go, especially when you work like a weekday. Things can be kind of rough. And I also realized, yeah, working before a holiday can kind of make it a little bit rougher too, but overall it still turned out all right. We still got like $90 in stock, so that's pretty good. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked it, remember to do the cheapest thing you can today, tap that like button and also subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. And remember, stay cheap.
Hey, you better be saving that money. Don't you be spending it now. You're still here watching this? You might as well just subscribe. Why would you not at this point?